All righty, John Curtis here with Dave White Chevrolet Fleet Commercial again. Just want to touch base in regard to the coronavirus. Dave White, we are open on the skeleton crew. Service and parts department is open. Reduced staff on the sales side. Commercial staff is here to help our essential businesses with their vehicle needs. Just so our customers are aware, you can shop online. We do come to you, even for retail customers, to protect our customers' health. During our dealership, if your vehicle is here for service, we are cleaning and sanitizing the vehicle before and after your service. We have social distancing guidelines set up throughout the dealership. Periodically throughout the day, we are sanitizing the entire dealership so our customers' safety and health are addressed. We're very aware of that. We are following all federal and state guidelines in regard to essential businesses being open. Thanks again for your patronage at our dealership, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.